Hello, this is Howie Jai from ASUS Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can control or manage cooler of your ROG Strix gaming notebook. Could be any version, process will be the similar. You see here function key, and here you see this is fan button FS. So you have to hold the function key as this and the same time cooler. Let's see the effect. You see, balance it more, over boost, balance. So you have two mode in this case, balance and over boost mode. So this is the normal mode. If you want to do more, here you have a button of ROG Strix button. Hit this one. Is control. So you see the boost option. Here you have more option. You see fan, over boost. I go inside. You see, by here you can control as well, fan, over boost, auto, over boost as you want. Auto I leave here, or over boost as you want. So very simple tutorial, guys. So you can do it with the keyboard. Also you can do it gaming center. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.